the best spot to see everything. Look, you can even see the edge of Kokotoa from up here.
Kibena, get down here and let's race.
Koba, we all know you'd lose. Kibena runs faster and climbs better.
Hey, forget racing. Look over there, a pond.
That's it. Let's cool off in the water. It's so hot today.
I don't think that's a good idea. What if the water isn't safe? Do you hear that?
Oh, Kibena. You're always so careful. It's just a little pond. What's the worst that could happen?
Yeah. Are you scared of frogs or something?
You are not the one to be talking about being scared. Aren't you afraid of the dark?
Maybe Kibena's right. We've never swum here before.
There's nothing strange about this pond. It looks normal.
You're right, and the water doesn't smell.
I have heard stories about people getting sick from parasites that live in water like this.
We'll be fine. Don't be such a chicken.
All right, team, this is it. Today is the day we make it to the big leagues.
Finally, goodbye, snail guts. Hello, human skin.
Don't go in. Always ask an adult to help check if it's safe first.
Mm-hmm.